Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if Roblox is not installing on PC. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to go to roblox.com. As you can see, just enter here. Now once you reach the home page of Roblox, what you need to do, you have to just scroll down and click any of the game that you have played recently. Just click any of. Now, if you want to install Roblox without any error, just click on this play button and it will try to open Roblox app on your system or on your Windows or PC. Just cancel this out and click on this download and install Roblox. Now the installer will be downloaded on your browser. Just on your system, just click on it to install or reinstall your Roblox. A installer will be open and it will try to install your Roblox app on your PC or on your system. So see, so once it is installed, it will try to configure and it will open your Roblox app on your PC. And as you can see guys, our Roblox app successfully installed on our PC. That's how you can fix it if you have facing such error. And you don't need to do, just need to follow my steps and you will not face any such problem. Thanks for watching.